Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on mobile. First, understand that Euro Truck Simulator 2 is a PC-exclusive game, meaning it doesn't have an official mobile version. To play it on your phone, you'll need to use a cloud gaming service. These services stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your device. This method requires a strong, stable internet connection, preferably 5G or a fast Wi-Fi network, to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience without lag. Next, you'll need to choose a suitable cloud gaming service. Several platforms offer access to PC games, such as GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming, which includes PC Game Pass titles. Each service has its own library, subscription tiers, and performance characteristics. Make sure the service you pick supports Euro Truck Simulator 2 and that you either own the game on a compatible platform or it's included in their library. Compare their pricing and features to find the best fit for your needs. Once you've selected a service, download its official app from your phone's app store. After installation, log in with your account. For the best experience, I highly recommend pairing a Bluetooth controller with your phone. While some services offer on-screen touch controls, a physical controller provides much better precision for driving a truck. Adjust the in-game graphics and streaming settings within the app to balance visual quality with performance, ensuring minimal input lag. Now you're ready to hit the road. Open the cloud gaming app, find Euro Truck Simulator 2 in its library, and launch the game. The game will stream directly to your phone, allowing you to experience the vast European highways and intricate trucking mechanics. Remember, a consistent internet connection is key to maintaining a high-quality stream. Enjoy your virtual trucking adventures from anywhere. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.